Oke, silakan dimulai.
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from the second group. Me, Renelda, as a moderator. The first speaker is Sulasti Syahrir, and the second speaker is Siti Salma Tahir. Okay, today we will bring presentation about the material, linguistic, and psychology. So I invite the first speaker to present the material.
Okay, thank you for moderator. The first is definition. Psychology is an experimental and observational science in which evidence from research studies is used to develop and evaluate theories. Psychology is the science of mind and behavior. Linguistic. Linguistic studies the uses of language in everyday life, the ways in which it varies across society and evolves over time, and how it is mastered by children. Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It involves the analysis of language form, language meaning, and language in context. Slide kedua. Okay, the second is types of psychology and linguistics. Psychology is, the first is biological psychology, or how body and brain to enable emotion and etc.
Psychology. The first, biological psychology.
How
Two,
we learn
learning psychology, or how we learn observable response. Three, cognitive psychology, or how we encode, store, and retrieve information. Four, social culture psychology. Five, psychodynamic psychology or information. Six, humanistic psychology. Seven, evolutionary psychology. Linguistics. 1. Phonetics or physical aspect. 2. Phonology. 3. Morphology or formation of words. 4. Syntax or formation of sentence. 5. Semantics. And 6. Pragmatics. Psychology is nothing more than the study of the emotional and mental workings of the mind, based on the many theories of personality and its function and dysfunction. The understanding of psychology helps us to better function in our world, becoming happier, more contented, and fulfilled in individuals. At least that is the basis of why the field of psychology matters. Linguistics. The first, linguistics helps complete and clear out text in language investigation. 2. Language teacher. Train and teach language skill. 3. Translator. Help in getting a good translation result. 4. Dictionary composer. Help in compiling a complete and dictionary. The next, textbook. Textbook compiler. Helps in choosing the right words and contrasting the right sentence. And the next, politician. Helps in communicating with the crowd. The next.
Relationship between psychology and linguistics. Psychology deals with how humans relate to one another or and to themselves, which sounds strange but is true in everyday life. Language is the principal medium of our everyday interpersonal relationship more than anything else. We talk to one another, and as Sapir-Whorf saw, language is a necessary medium for talk to, and this for our interpersonal relationship. So psychology is the foundation on which linguistics is built. It provides hints, rules of thumb, and principal linguists use to understand how language are formed, changed, and used. Saya kembalikan ke moderator.
Okay. That was the material from the second group, and then we are open the question and answer session. If you have a question, please read in the chat room, and we will answer your question.
Oke, silakan kelompok yang lain bertanya.
Grup 1.
Sulastri perpanjang waktu durasi Zoom-nya ini.
Sudah, Sir. Saya oke tadi.
Oke. Silakan bertanya kelompok yang lain.
Rasanya tadi tulis.
Ya, yang lain silakan tulis saja di chat kalau begitu. Oke, sambil kelompok lain bertanya, kelompok presenter mungkin sudah bisa menjawab beberapa pertanyaan yang sudah ada.
Okay, I will answer the question of group 11. The question is how to use linguistics in teaching. My answer is linguistics is equally important to language teachers who provide instruction on the English language. Linguistics helps students understand regional dialect and colloquialism. It also helps students identify the origin of sayings and phrases that have evolved over time, but sayings that may not have the same relevance or meaning in contemporary society. Linguistics can also help guard and again self-embracement, using words that are common but have historical context that may make them inappropriate or insulting in polite society. In bahasa, linguistik sama pentingnya bagi guru bahasa yang memberikan pengajaran bahasa Inggris dan membantu siswa memahami dialek daerah dan bahasa sehari-hari. Ini juga membantu siswa mengidentifikasi asal mula ucapan dan frasa yang telah berkembang dari waktu ke waktu. Tetapi yang mungkin tidak memiliki relevan atau makna yang sama dalam masyarakat kontemporer. Linguistik juga dapat membantu mencegah rasa malu pada diri sendiri, menggunakan kata-kata umum, tetapi memiliki konteks historis yang dapat membuatnya tidak pantas atau menghina dalam masyarakat. Atau bisa dibilang membuatnya berbicara secara sopan. Oke, thank you. How about the group 11?
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Okay, I am Sulastri Syahrir. I will to answer group 5 from Nur Amalia. The question is, can psychologists read minds, or can psychologists hypnotize people and plant something in someone's mind? The answer is, psychology are not mind readers. Psychologists are not face reader either. New psychologists can find out a person's personality through a series of psychological tests, not just staring at face or reading palm lines. Psychology can detect disturbance from the patient movement or expression followed by the psychological test take. In Indonesia, psikologi bukanlah pembaca pikiran ataupun pembaca wajah. Psikologi baru bisa diketahui kepribadian seseorang lewat serangkaian tes psikologi, bukan sekedar menatap wajah atau membaca garis tangan. Nah, psikologi bisa mengetahui gangguan dari pasiennya melalui gerakan ataupun ekspresi pasien yang tidak biasa dan dilanjutkan dengan tahap tes psikologi. Okay, Nur Amalia, are you get it? Group 5.
Thank you, Lastri.